What's up, guys? Coming to you again with another completed job. Just going to give you a little walk around. This time it's a 850 roll cage install and a Foxbody. This is for a local customer. This is a Team Z cage the customer provided to us. It has the through floor subframe connectors that drop down into the frame pocket through the floor. The outriggers that go to the side that the A-pillar and the main hoop sit on, as well as the main hoop supports right there. This car has the factory dash in it. He's going to put back in it. See some silver primer and stuff. We just put that on there to kind of help, because once we put those bars in there, there's no way to get behind it to paint. So we went ahead and threw some primer on there just to help with rust and whatever else in the future. This kit didn't come with a roof diagonal, and he wanted that put on. So we actually used the harness bar. You can see it says seat back bar on there. We used that bar for the roof diagonal, and the customer wanted us to upgrade the harness bar to 1.5 inches. The minimum requirement is 1.25 inches, but it's more of a visual thing, I think he was worried about. See, Jacob does some really nice welds. Our chassis guy, Jacob, is the one who installed this cage. You can see, going back to the C-pillars on this cage kit, I think they call it the mini tub bars or something, but the C-pillars are really long. You can see they go all the way from the main hoop all the way to the tail lights almost. So it needs some support. So that's what these are. They go back and tie in, then you have a crossbar that connects them, and then back to the main hoop on the other side. We've installed several of their roll cages. They always fit really nice. See, it comes back and ties to the rear in between the frame rails. Team Z is actually one of our, I guess you would call it, competitors for our Mustang tube fronts, but we never really talk bad about our competitors, especially when they make nice products. There's plenty enough to go around for everybody. So we always try to pump everybody up, especially if they make nice stuff. So here's a big thumbs up for Team Z roll cages in Mustangs. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next job.